hope you guys had a great intro to the new year. I am just, it's like the 1st of January, and I had a good time last night. My birthday was yesterday, and I had a really fun time with friends and family. And today I woke up and I had a bug of getting rid of my Christmas decorations. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly. I'm just gonna put these up. These are like little print and these ornate frames that I had on my wooden shelf. I moved that. I'm gonna show you when I do like all the new home decor I have in my home. I'll show you what I have there now. So I'm just gonna put it over, like find some spots to put it on my gallery wall. As you could see, I already have this one. It's from the same artist. I will link her below. So the good thing is like they're small. So I'm thinking I'll put in two here, like one on above and below my intercom. I'm not sure where I'm going to put the next one. So I want to share everything that I got new. If you watch my I think it was a Black Friday haul, you'll see some of the stuff I added, but I just want to show you on a project I'm going to do. So let's start with the project. So I was watching another YouTuber, so I always forget their names. But she's very cutesy, and I'm a little cutesy too. I noticed my decor is getting a little too serious. I always like to say it's too serious. Rina's not very cutesy, so I had an idea to like add a little cutesy vibes in my home. And I'm gonna add some wallpaper. I got this from Amazon. I will link it below for you. It's very pretty. It's like floral, has a lot of green and has pink. And I was thinking to add it like at the back of my shelf, like where I have my handbags display. I think it will add like a nice touch. And it will give like more depth to the room. I also got this new print from Avant-Garde. It is from Deborah Seguin. It's a black artist. I'm trying to get more into black art. I collect a lot of black art. I have a lot of art, but I specifically want to get more black artists. So I found this on Avant-Garde. Not Avant-Garde. Avant-Art. And if you don't know, that's a website that they sell art pieces from different types of artists. It's really it's a really nice site if you're into collecting art. So I got this. It's a print. I love it. I decided to put it in my room. It's very large. I got the frame from Amazon because I knew if I had this custom frame it would cost a lot. So I got the frame from Amazon. I love it. This is what it looks like. Lady with the flower. I just love the colors. Also, I like the silhouette and everything. So that's new. Something else that's new that I did. So these are all like shoe boxes and bag boxes. I like keeping these because eventually when I do decide to sell it, it's always better to put it in a box where it came in. And my friend got me a little something from Hermes, and I love the Hermes orange box, so I just decided to add it on top of here. Also, I have a lot of sunglasses, and this is a perfume case, but it's a nice little, it makes a nice little tower. Doesn't look too trashy, but it's a closet room. I don't think closets are meant to be always put together, so I added that, and I think it looks good. Okay, so over here is my shelf, my shoe shelf. I have so many shoes, but I don't really need to see that. So the only new thing I have here is this thing here. This is not a book. It looks like a book, but it's a storage, and I'm storing stuff in there, and I love it because this is from, as you can see, Heaven Mayhem. and they have different styles. And I got this cheetah. I always can't tell, leopard's cheetah, you know, a print. And I love it because it's texture. It's not just like print, it's like texture, so it looks good. And I love that it looks like a book, but it's really just for storage. And at the time I bought it was like during like the holidays, they give you like a free comb. So I just put it right here. I'm definitely not going to use this comb. Ah, it's gonna fall. Definitely not going to use this comb, but I think it's nice to have like decor. So and I love the tassel. So I just have that. Yeah. You just saw me put these up, so I just added the little frames there, and I added one over here, and I think like it looks good. I'd always like to step back after I add the art piece just to see if it looks really nice. Don't mind the mess, this has to move, but I think it looks really good. And over here is what I added new. So these are from Urban Outfitters. I was about to say Urban Decay. That's a makeup brand, but this is from Urban Outfitters. And I just love these. These are like porcelain or clay, I'm not sure. But they're like trinkets. You could put trinkets in. I think they're like for jewelry, but you can put anything in. I don't know what I'm gonna add. And then you have a dresser. It's so cute. Again, I wanted to add more cutesy to my life. So they come in pink and this like white with blue. I decided to go with the white and blue. I was gonna go with the pink, but I think the white and blue will work better for my decor. I also, for my sofa, I got another dodo bird. I showed this in my Black Friday haul. So I had one, and I had like a blue cushion that I put it in my closet room now, but I decided just to go with, just to have it like balance it out, because I love the dodo bird and I love the color. This is from House of Hackney. They're a little on the more expensive side, but they do a 20% around the holidays or around Black Friday time. So if you want to wait, that's what I do. I wait and get the deal. So I waited and I got this and I really like it. So I have the frog, which is green, and then I have this, I think these are, I forgot those types of flowers. It's green. Those doesn't match. I didn't want it to be too matchy, but I really wanted the two dodo birds, so that's that. And finally, this was a gift for my employer. She knows I'm into the, you know, whatever you call my aesthetic. And these are from Lennox, and these are the spice houses, like the different spices. I think there are like 24 of them. They're so cute. I don't put anything in them yet. I'm thinking of looking for like a little canister that I could put inside before, or just leave them empty, because I just really like the look of it. I'm not sure if I would add anything, but these are so cute. And I already had this shelf here. I used to put my matcha stuff on there. I move it away and I just have these. I'm so happy. So this is in my kitchen. This is what's new in my kitchen. I am all done. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and comment and subscribe if you like videos like this or would like to see more of my videos. And Happy New Year.